Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best reacher grabbers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Edarray 49036 Grip and Grab Reach Tool. Edarray 49036 is the best-selling reach tool on Amazon. It's a versatile unit with a lightweight and rust-proof aluminum pole that can support objects with up to 5 pounds. It can be used indoors or outdoors in the yard and even in ponds without giving in to environmental elements. It has an articulating head that turns 900, making it easy to reach behind furniture and between appliances. Moving on at number 4, we have the Unger Professional Nifty Nabber. Unger Professional Nifty Nabber is designed for people who require extra long grabbers. With its 36-inch pole, Unger will be a perfect tool for both indoor and outdoor usage. It features a strong magnet for the metallic objects and rubberized jaws to prevent damaging items. Its jaws have interlocking tips that aid in picking minute objects without sliding. It also comes with a limited warranty. At number 3, we have the Duro-Med Reacher Grabber. Could you be in the hunt for an inexpensive grabber for your seniors or people with spinal cord problems? This tool by Duro-Med costs less than $10, making it amongst the cheapest grabbers on the market. Despite its low cost, do know that you'll find all the qualities that you could be looking for in a grabber. For instance, Duro-Med is made of durable plastics and is, therefore, lightweight. It also has easy-to-use lever mechanism that requires no skills to use. This makes it ideal for the aged as well as the young. Again, this grabber features a 2.5-inch jaw with interlocking tips and a strong magnet. At number 2, we have the Reacher Grabber LV1001 by Vive. This is amongst the most advanced reach tools you'll find on the market today. Vive LV1001 beats the competition by using rubberized suction cups. The two offer an incredible hassle-free time when reaching for items, changing bulbs, picking litter, and even tending your garden. The cups won't leave any scratch marks on your items, and they also clean easily. Again, LV1001 has a super comfortable handle and a stress-free trigger. Again, it has a hole for easy hanging and a lifetime guarantee. And finally at number 1, we have the PicStick Pro Aluminum Reacher. PicSticks is made of rust-proof aluminum. It can, therefore, be used in shops, in water, in the yards, etc. Its handle and jaw have a bright yellow theme that makes it easy to use in congested and hard-to-reach areas with low light. Its head rotates 3,600 while the jaws open up to 5.5 wide. Again, these jaws close tightly once the trigger is squeezed just one. On this note too, the jaws have a unique design that aids in picking items with different shapes. Lastly, it's backed by a full-year warranty. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.